There's no doubt that Bitcoin and Ethereum are the major players in the crypto space. There's no harm in trying to figure out what the future holds for this newcomer, which emerged in 2014. It has successfully carved out a niche as the third-generation cryptocurrency. If you are to maintain your investments through the ups and downs of cryptocurrencies, ignore the bullish narratives and the potential found in them. It's imperative to avoid getting caught up in the moment when it comes to cryptocurrencies. We show you how to manage the stock market and cryptocurrencies, as well as personal finance at our channel, Crypto Castle. Make sure you check the notification bell whenever we post to make sure you don't miss anything. Do not hesitate to like, subscribe, as well as share. The potential of cryptocurrencies does not fade, but you need to be aware of the factors that will determine their value in the future. It is synonymous with frustration and fear to invest in crypto without a solid foundation of trust or with a set-and-forget-it approach. Moreover, don't invest in cryptocurrencies whose primary purpose is to bring short-term prosperity to investors. There is a lot of optimism in the crypto community about Cardano's long-term acceptance. As a reminder of the Twitter poll Vitalik Buterin made in January, he asked his Twitter followers what crypto they would prefer to see dominate transactions by 2035. This is outside of Ethereum. The tweet read, "Poll for the Ethereum community. Imagine you wake up in 2035 and most transactions and savings are in a currency that's not Ethereum. Which would you prefer?" Bitcoin received 36.4%, while Cardano 88 received 42% more votes. The poll was made by Vitalik Buterin with the understanding that long-term success in crypto is what matters most. The results of the survey reflect Cardano's popularity among Twitter users and followers, so investing just in hopes of a short-term surge that could fizzle anytime soon may seem appealing, but it could prove to be misleading as well. The leading cryptocurrency by market cap has gone through a number of ups and downs during its short history. Bitcoin did not appear to be anything that would lead to large gains at the beginning of its life. Some crypto enthusiasts simply saw Bitcoin as a fun asset for trading and speculation at that time. Some believe cryptocurrency would ultimately become the universal currency of the digital age. While Bitcoin's popularity soared in its first few years, there were many shortcomings and flaws that discouraged prospective investors from investing. A common innovation trajectory known as the Garther hype cycle was followed by Bitcoin, according to Jared Karniak, founder CEO Generation Lambda. When new technologies such as Bitcoin gained visibility, expectations initially rose to a very high level. Initially, people ignore it, but then suddenly everyone gets excited until it becomes apparent that promises cannot keep up with reality. An asset bubble was created in late 2017 as excitement and hype arose in the crypto market, which drove Bitcoin prices upward. At the end of 2018, however, that bubble burst, which dragged Bitcoin prices downward. Despite this drawback, investors would have downed in regrets now if they had pulled out their money. The year 2025 will be a better year despite the cascading failures of Cardano. A record low was reached by the ADA coin on October 13th, the price not seen since February 2021. Although ADA has been in decline since the release of this long-awaited Vasil hard fork, the entire Cardano community has expressed their support for the project despite the distraction of new lows and the potential for further downfalls. Despite the October 31st sell-off, MineSwap broke a market record on the Cardano multiple decentralized exchange. Cardano's Vasil mainnet upgrade, which raised the network's capacity and enhanced the scalability of the blockchain, was also released on September 22nd after constant delays. Moreover, Pluto's V2 cost model was enabled by the Cardano blockchain, resulting in lower transaction costs. The full capabilities became available on September 27th. There have been a lot of buzz regarding contemporary blockchains such as Solana and Avalanche. They pose a threat to Cardano and can be distinguished by extremely fast transaction speeds. ADA coin price has suffered in recent months because Cardano, preferred by long-term investors, has suffered enormous losses. The buzz surrounds contemporary blockchains such as Solana and Avalanche. They pose a threat to Cardano and have soared in value over the past few months. Cardano needs to watch its back. Due to the fact that cryptocurrency's future is dependent on so many factors, Cardano's prediction should be fairly optimistic, even though it has suffered losses in recent months. As expected, Cardano has established itself as one of its most active crypto assets. The number of Cardano wallets has increased as crypto investors appear optimistic. On September 28th, the number of ADA wallets has estimated at 3 million. Moreover, over 500,000 new holdings have been added to Cardano in the last 6 months. As a result of a variety of factors, Cardano's price is expected to surge in 2025, even after a delay in upgrades. "We're ready to stick with the best" should be the mantra for this move. Its environmental friendliness also enhances its chances of distinguishing itself from Bitcoin and Ethereum crazes. Despite most predictions being positive, there are some reasons that threaten investor confidence. Most prominent questions on everyone's lips is whether the Vasil mandated fork will meet its promises. When Ethereum's EIP 1559 was pushed and its asset value soared above 3,000, a cryptocurrency's price is expected to respond favorably. Nevertheless, Cardano's value plummeted by nearly 50% within a month of the launch of the Alonzo, and its Vasil upgrade has had no effect on it so far. Although the market is down, Cardano is striving to constantly improve its products, and there are some reasons why investors should remain confident. In order to differentiate Cardano from several other meme currencies, its utility keeps growing. As a result of its protruding benefits, many analysts believe ADA will prove beneficial in the long run. The price of Cardano is predicted to be 2.93 cents by 2025, according to the Finders team of financial technology experts. In the event that crypto markets heat up again, mounting the utility now may serve as a launching pad, resulting in a tremendous increase in 88 coin prices. The CEO of the Cardano Foundation has stated that by 2026, 50 banks and 10 Fortune 500 companies are expected to sign up for the Cardano blockchain. It's expected that Cardano will prove a strong return on investment and solid value, even though it has seen a significant decline in value this year. The volatility of cryptocurrency makes it crucial that you do not put more than your own funds at risk if you are trading cryptocurrencies. It's likely that the crypto market will grow over the coming months as a result of a completely new paradigm that contains the promise of a decentralized future, which is a positive development for Cardano in the long run. There are endless arguments regarding how cryptocurrencies will become mainstream, but one aspect is often overlooked. Despite attempts to change it, the first generation of blockchains was not designed to be widely used. The blockchain for mass adoption must be built from scratch, and only the third generation cryptocurrency can accomplish it. Charles Hoskinson, who created Cardano, claimed that the cryptocurrency was an ecosystem community that was ready for mass adoption when it was created. In his interview with Ryan Selkis, Hoskinson stressed the importance of academics and science to the Cardano blockchain development process. He is of the opinion that if the blockchain is developed in such a way, you will see a large influx of users. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are often perceived as a quick way to make money. Even though the concept of cryptocurrency is based on a different vision, it's widely viewed as a speculative asset, despite the fact that it has developed with a different intention. There are times when we need to remember that we cannot lose sight of the big picture when dealing with cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin was once worth over $69,000, has become increasingly volatile in recent months. The price of Bitcoin has now been struggling over the past few months to rise past $20,000. It's necessary not to lose sight of the bigger picture and not simply focus on the short term. It is evident that a great deal of resilience and patience is involved in Cardano, ADA's journey towards progress. After all, Cardano has come a long way and it's not planning on stopping anytime soon. It'll definitely be worth it in the end. We've got more in-depth information about crypto markets on our channel. You can like and subscribe to our channel to keep updates on the latest crypto news. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and we'll see you next time.